How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can factory reset your Miyoo Mini Plus. So when you want to factory reset your device, there isn't a button in order for us to do this instantly. But what we can do is to basically reformat the SD card itself where the firmware is simply installed. So the first thing that you want to do is to just turn off the device itself. You want to press on the power button for at least 5 seconds, making sure that it cuts the power to the circuit board. From there, you want to get your SD card, and what you can do is to just get an SD card reader, and then you want to plug it onto your computer, or maybe you could just try plugging it onto your phone. So from there, you want to head over to your Google or a browser and then just search for the Miyoo Mini Plus latest firmware. So you want to download the latest firmware right here because in order to actually factory reset your device, we need to format the SD card from the console itself. So if you're using your computer, just navigate through files right here. And simply inside, it's going to be under this computer. And then you will be able to see all of the available programs right here or the available removable storage. So let's say that it's going to be the Kingston F. So what you want to do is to just right click on it, click on the format button, and then you want to format this to the FAT32 file format. So right after formatting your SD card, it will simply remove all of the game files, all of the firmware, and basically everything inside your console. So what you want to do is to just get a new firmware from the official website. Now in here, we have the Miyoo Mini Plus. Get the latest firmware. And then what you want to do is to just extract this, basically just get everything inside this file. And then you want to drag it over to the formatted SD card. Right after basically copying and pasting from the SD card, you just want to plug it back onto your console, and from there it will reset everything to the factory setting. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.